Welcome to another tutorial. My name is Jesse, and today I'm going to show you how to scale or resize your footage using Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's very easy, only a couple of steps to this one. First, what you're going to want to do is open your project and find your footage that you'd like to resize. I have mine here. I've laid down a clip in my timeline, and as you can see, there's kind of black around the edges, and you can see my face up in this corner. So we want to size this up to get rid of that. What you're going to do is click on the clip that you've laid down that you'd like to resize. You'll see it in your source window. From there, come and click up in the upper bar of that window, and you'll see Effect Controls. Once you click that, you'll see a couple of options here under Video, Motion, Opacity, Time Remapping, and then some for audio. You only have to worry about motion for resizing. Click the little arrow next to motion, and you'll see scale. This is what we're going to use to make our video bigger. If you click, you can actually type in a whole number into there, like 100, and hit enter. You can see in my timeline, the video has been adjusted. Say that's a little bit bigger than what I'd like, and I'd like to fine tune it a little bit. You can actually click on this number and drag left or right to make it larger or smaller. Find a size that works for you. Let's get me out of the frame there. Boom. And that's it. You've rescaled your video. In your timeline, it'll stay like that. And this is also the effect that you would use to do a push on like a still photo, or a pull out on a still photo, or left to right. Left to right would actually be position, and that's something I will go over in a future tutorial. So that's it right there. If you'd like the text instructions on how to do this, I will put them in the video description below. And as always, happy trails.